Okay, I'm reading for Nomu Nomu. How was your golden week? Now remember, when I ask you how question, it doesn't mean what did you do. How was your golden week? Do datta. So your answer should be, it was good, it was great. Then after you answer, then I ask you, what did you do? Okay, how was your golden week? It was great. What did you do? I went to Guam. What did you do in Guam? Now when I ask you, what did you do? Quickly, hayakuchi kotoba ne. What did you do? What did you do? What did you do? What did you do? What did you do in Guam? What did you do in Guam? I swam. What did your wife do? She did the same. Remember, today's lesson is everything is, whenever you use the same, 95% of the time, the same, the same, the same. How was nani nani? How was the food? How was the weather? How was the people? How was the service? How were the people? Sorry. How was the food? How was the weather? How was the service? How were the people? What did you do? What did you? What did you? What did you? What did you do? How many times have you been to Guam? How many times have you been to Guam? I've been to Guam 9 times. I've been to Guam 9 times. I've been to means imamade. I went to means itakoto aru. I went to Guam 9 times last year, for example. But I've been to Guam 9 times in my life. In my life. I've lived in 5 apartments in Japan. I've lived in maybe 15 apartments in my life. I've lived in 5 apartments in my life. I lived in an apartment 10 years ago. We arrived at the office at the same time. At. Basho at. Jikamo at. We arrived at the office at the same time. Let's meet same time next week. This is one of the cases where we don't need the. Let's meet same time next week. Or just same time next week. You could say the same thing about me. You can say the same thing about me. I experienced the same thing. These are the answers to the questions on your paper today. Or, I had the same experience. Hey! Yeah! And yay! Hey! Yeah! Yeah. Hey, yay. These are different, huh? Then the opposite of yeah is nah. My brother is the same age as Brad Pitt. Not with Brad Pitt. Monku o yu or fuhei o yu is complain. Ryoma changed the history of Japan. It went out of business. It tastes good. The taste is good. まあ、文法的に okay, but 言わないね。It tastes good の方がよく使う。In the beginning, it tasted bad. To taste in English, usually a verb, 動詞。My hand trembled. My hand was trembling, shaking. My friend is famous. He wants money and fame. Fame is meishi. Famous is keiyoshi. Do children laugh more easily than adults? Or children laugh more easily than adults? Suru kachi ga aru. Suru kachi ga aru. It's worth doing. Suru kachi ga nai. It's not worth doing. Jishin is earthquake. Koko ni suwatte ii desu ka? Do you mind if I sit here? Koko ni tabako sutte ii desu ka? Do you mind if I smoke? Or, more polite, would you mind if I smoke? Would you mind if I sat here? Would you mind if I smoked? Kako ke tsukau ne. Do you mind, doshi ing, do you mind watching my bags? Okay. Thank you very much. I'll see you next week.